after 17 seasons and 352 games, today commemorates Wayne and Dolores Barr Weaver's final game as owner of the Jaguars. Please direct your attention to the video board for a special tribute to the Weavers.
It's my pleasure to announce that the membership has selected Jacksonville as the third.
Jaguars here with a great vision to build this community up and to support this community and make it a great place to live for family.
I think you see their impact everywhere. We've seen Jacksonville grow tremendously since 1995, and they had a lot to do with it.
And obviously, you see the city, today, I think as a result of
They've given so much back to the community. I really strive to be part of that community. I think that's appreciated for the family. The Weavers are a blessing for the city because it was like a match made in heaven. I know a lot of people are sad to see the Weavers go, but looking at the groundwork that they've laid, I think the future is bright.
The Weavers always made us feel like we were part of the family. Their son or daughter.
I felt that he was one of the best owners in my This is a completely different city, and I think the Jaguars are
There were people that would give of themselves. People that didn't have a lot of time to make time for brothers. And I think definitely what I can see will live through people in this organization, in this city, based on the example that they set.
Would now like to present Wayne and Dolores with two gold-plated custom Jaguars helmets. And then celebrate this special day and to forever remember Wayne and Dolores for their commitment and impact on the Jacksonville Jaguars, the city of Jacksonville, and the community they so dearly cherish. Please direct your attention to the northwest wall of Everbank Field as we proudly induct Weavers into the pride of the Jaguars.
On behalf of all the Jaguar partners for 18 great years of special members. It's because of you, the greatest fans of the National Football League. So thank you.
Thank you everyone. 18 years ago, you brought the NFL to Jacksonville. When we came, you opened your arms and your hearts to the players, to the coaches, to our staff, and to us. We are ever grateful for the 18 years. Thank you so much.